Hi, I've got a little hobby. I'm really into vintage computers, especially laptops. Actually, I have a small collection of old laptops. Every now and then I spot something cool at an auction and I just can't resist. I have to add it to my collection. Like this time, for example, I came across an IBM ThinkPad 760, a model I've been hunting for a while now. Even though the listing said the condition was unknown, I decided to take a chance and placed a bid. And here it is, in all its glory. It's dirty, worn down by time and covered in cracks and scuffs. The lid has these decorative stickers, and the whole thing is taped together, probably to keep it from completely falling apart. The screen is 800 by 600 pixels with what's clearly a passive matrix panel, easy to tell from the separate sliders for brightness and contrast. Instead of a CD-ROM, it has a floppy drive, which is nice. Well, the first step is giving it a small cleaning. Judging by the stickers, it looks like someone gave this laptop to a kid as a toy at some point. Fun fact, I later found a Lego instruction stuck inside the floppy drive. It is time to restore this laptop's usual seriousness. There we go, it's looking a little better now. Let's pop the hood and see what's inside. To my surprise, everything's still intact, nothing is missing. Getting it to power on isn't straightforward because of its rather unusual power connector. To deal with the odd power connector, I'll need to improvise a bit. Only 2 of the 4 pins are actually needed, one for positive and one for negative. The other 2 can be ignored as their function is unclear. With a couple of wires and a connector, I can assemble a basic adapter. Shady as it may look, but it should work. Alright, moment of truth, let's power this thing on. And nothing. Maybe one more time. Nope, still dead. Alright, time to take it apart and see what's wrong. Here we've got 2 RAM sticks, which seem original based on the labels. Removing the top cover, keyboard, battery, hard drive, and the floppy drive. Finally, I've reached the system board assembly. This definitely needs a deeper clean. The system board contains the main board and few daughter boards stacked together like a sandwich. It's compact, but a pain to disassemble. To get to the motherboard itself, I have to remove the daughter boards one by one. Here's the video card. This is DC-DC card. This one called the ESS card, which I assume handles sound. The CPU is hidden under the shield. Oh, a little Easter egg. Some auxiliary chips right there. Oh, and here, this looks like evidence of soldering. Someone probably tried to repair this board before, and perhaps it didn't work. This here is a power shutdown switch according to the maintenance manual. Off camera I cleaned the system board assembly and reassembled it. Now let's try turning it on again. And looks like we've got some signs of life. Pressing keys does nothing. Let's try again, this time with the screen attached. The LED lights up, we still have the blinking speaker icon, but no picture on screen. Well, this seems to be the best I can get from this laptop. After another careful inspection, I found corrosion on the motherboard. I cleaned the contacts as best I could, but it didn't help. Unfortunately, this laptop is beyond saving. Honestly though, despite the failure, I had a lot of fun tinkering with this laptop, and I don't regret buying it or spending time on it. Maybe one day I'll get lucky enough to find a donor to restore this fascinating model. But for now, thanks for watching and bye.